Oh, I just saw that. That was very close, Mom. Mom. Mom, I saw, like we have your blinds up on your thing? Yeah. You know where the high school is? And I saw it too. Like, I didn't see like the flash. I saw the bolt itself. Oh. Yeah, I made a smart choice to stay away from that one. I'd really love for my 3DS to start working its camera again. I'd really love that because it is, oh my gosh, Mom. Hey Mom, you wanna go swimming? The park is perfect now. No, it's like legit, like you can actually start swimming. Like it was videoing this night before, but it's not videoing anymore. And I'd love to work the video because it's just lightning.
Hey, Mom. When we pull out, do you mind driving a straight puddle through the ground? There's a legit puddle in the ground. Like, it is pulled up a hole. Yeah, there's like a puddle. Oh no, it's even worse now. Okay.
Make a run for it.
Like, look outside just real quick. Just,
I did.
Yeah.
You don't notice? Yeah. It's your check.
A check? For what?
Right there.
For school?
Your lunch.
Okay. You ready? It looks horrible outside. Just drive a straight puddle through.
Shut the door all the way, son.
Hurry. Okay, good. I'll make it through before the next thunder. There it is. There's I know video this.
Yeah, there's some big ones.
There's a
really nice.
yeah, I know. There's a straight. I heard it. There's a straight puddle through the driveway that I want you to drive through, and I have a video. Ooh. What's that?
Flash flood warning, I'm sure.
Yeah, look how bad it is. Can you drive through it really quick?
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Can you drive through it quick?
northeastern Cameron Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southern Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, west central Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana until 7:45 p.m. At 7 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Headless Marina to 9 miles south of Klondike, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jennings, Wells,
I got that on video.
Blackham National Wildlife Refuge, Hayes, Klondike, Evangeline, Hackett's Corner, Thornwell, Lowry, Sweet Lake, Gibstone, Homewood, Liberal Settlement, Dow City, Roanoke, and Lancaster. These storms are producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
You see that? Okay, I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Oh, whoa! Look at it did to the thing. Yeah. Hey, Mom.
See, these cars are turning around because it's so deep right there.
Oh crap. I'm gonna post this video on YouTube because I can, and it's really fun too. Do things a little things. Oh my. Okay.
But our Jeep comes in handy.
Yeah, so the Jeep really comes in handy. Put it on high. Put it on high.
It's on high.
Great.
Coming down hard.
I'm expecting good lightning. I'm hoping for good lightning. Oh, Mom.
Is that the drainage?
That was the drainage.
Holy cow.
The drainage is, Mom. Can we go play? I'm scared. I'm actually beyond scared right now. That was the drainage ditch. The drainage ditch was up to the road. They need
to turn on the pumps.
Yeah.
Holy cow! Exclamation mark. You can't even see where a lot of the ditches are. Exclamation mark. I am glad I am in a Jeep right now.
I'm turning off the radio because I don't want to get a copyright strike. Because they do that now.
Do what?
copyright strikes because I have music in my videos. It's gotten that bad actually. Oh my gosh, look at over there. Mom, that road's flooded. Yeah, that road's like demolished.
That's a road.
No, but it's into the road though. Yeah, I'd really love for them to turn on their drainage system right now. Mom, imagine. Wait, just quick. Imagine the trestle for the trains when they're running through, and it's probably just running straight through there like a whitewater rapid, just through that trestle.
That's dirty.
Yeah. Be careful. Oh, look at that! He's looking through the yard. Yeah, it's never ever rained this hard ever in Fort Neches, ever.
Yes, it has, maybe.
When?
A couple years ago, I guess.
Oh yeah, years ago.
Not years. Well, probably last. No.
Oh
last
no,
year.
great. This one, oh, Mom, look at the road.
Yeah.
The road is non-existent. Keep going forward.
Well, there's a car behind me. I would film this. Film all that right there.
Yeah. I'm getting as much as I can before it goes dead. But that's what I'm saying. It's extreme weather. This is extreme weather right here. It's never ever been this. Mom, what about those ditches? What do those look like?
What?
Those ditches. Oh, they're kind of normal. Oh, look in front of us. It's really bad. Uh-oh. Oh. I like at school, people say, I wonder if we're gonna be playing outside tomorrow. No. I'll video for you. Want me to video for you? I can hold both phones. I can video for you. I can hold both phones. Here.
Our car.
And that I'm holding. Oh my. I like this. Yours is at 12 seconds. Mine's at 15 minutes. Mom, I'm really tempted just to open up the door right now. It just. Whoop! Can I do that real quick?
No, because I don't know.
Where it is? Yeah.
I know we're higher than cars,
But how high is it? Yeah. Mom, imagine when this is over. Look at that Jeep. Imagine when this is over and getting my I wish my RC boat wasn't broken. Something's wrong with the propeller. If there wasn't anything wrong, I would have definitely started using it.
How?
Yeah. Hey, look. Can you like scoot over?
Good for cars.
Yeah. This constant rain up there. Let's see if cars follow us. With our little trend. Wait, how are we gonna get outside?
So
But the computer will make videos that big. So this won't even fit on my phone. Yeah, look, I spoke too soon. Look.
well, we're gonna get her and we're just gonna sit it out because I'm not driving around anymore in this.
Okay. Can I go inside? Look at that. Look at her feet.
Your water.
Yep. Hey, I'm gonna ask Grace if she's gonna use her boat. Cause imagine how low it is on Saba. Oh, imagine the canal next to Saba. How deep that is.
Stay right here while I run and go get you.
Oh, aren't I gonna go with you?
Well, I don't know.
Here, I'm an idea.
As far as getting out and getting back in. Where?
When was the last time you got a flooding this bad?
It's been a while.
Yeah. A very long while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Basil, how you doing? Oh, now it's starting to come down again. The water's coming up to where I'm... Oh, gosh! Oh! I think I just got that on video. I think I just got that on video. That lightning.